Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use your phone as Bluetooth keyboard. Here are the steps to use your mobile phone as Bluetooth keyboard for your PC. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Play Store. Then tap the search. Search for Bluetooth keyboard and mouse or any trusted Bluetooth keyboard app. Tap Install, then open the app by tapping Open. Once it's downloaded, grant the app the required permissions, like Bluetooth, accessibility, etc. Then tap Allow. Open your Windows PC and click Start, then open Settings. Go to Devices or Bluetooth and Devices depending on Windows version. Toggle Bluetooth on if it's not already enabled. On your Android phone, open the app and tap Search Device. Tap Search or scan devices inside the app if there's any. On your phone, select your Windows PC when it appears in the list. A pairing request will appear on both devices. On your PC, there will be a pop-up menu on the bottom right corner. Click on it, then hit Yes on your PC, and the connection will be success. After pairing, your phone will be connected as a Bluetooth input device. Tap on the three lines on the top left corner, then choose the PC keyboard. Some apps, including this app, includes a trial period. Use the trial period and then start typing on your Android phone. The text will appear on your PC screen. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.